Good morning to all our brothers and sis in Poland. Happy 56th anniversary to all of you. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. I am a brother Tony J. De Castro, the Gensec of our fraternity in 1978 to 80. I would like to say that I joined the fraternity in 1974 or more than 50 years ago. During our time, we never imagined that our fraternity will grow into what it is today. Now we have chapters in almost all universities in Metro Manila and all over the country. And not only that, we have chapters in almost all barangays in the Philippines. And for me, the greatest of all is that we now have international councils like the one that you established in Poland. I would like to say that I was able to have information about you from our brother Bobby Cueno. And I was told that your chapter was founded by Brads from the Philippine Merchant Marine School, led by our Brad Romeo Pacepe. So, congratulations, founder. I am very proud of you for founding, for establishing a Tau Gamma Pi fraternity in Poland. I also would like to thank the two other students or alumni of PMS who co-founded our international council in Poland, and also the CIS that was instrumental in establishing our Poland International Council. Alam nyo, ang council na tinayo nyo sa Poland ang makakatulong sa inyo sa lahat ng kalagayan ninyo diyan sa Poland. Your council will be the key to your safety, to your success in Poland. It is very hard to live in a foreign country away from your family. But with the fraternity, with your fellow Triskelions, it is as if you have your family in Poland. So I wish that each one of you will maintain friendship, camaraderie, brotherhood, and sisterhood among all of you. May you always be united in promoting the interests of each one of you, and most of all, for the interests of our family. Napakalaking bagay ng ginawa ng inyong tatlong founders at sis diyan sa Poland. Now, I was told that you now have 70 brads and sis in Poland. I hope that this will grow more, that we will have a bigger number of brads and sis in Poland. And through you, may you be able to help our Filipino people, Filipino OFWs in Poland. Again, congratulations and happy anniversary to all of you. Thank you, brothers and sisters.